Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the city center of Da Nang. We are here at Cheese, where they all say cheese and make a lot of photos. So this place here is very pretty and we just had a boba over there. But we are actually gonna take a little stroll now here at this neighborhood. The photo shooting is going on. Some of the finest Vietnamese restaurants. I have no idea if that's the truth, but it looks like it. And we actually gonna take a detour here to the left again. We'll show you a little bit of the Chau area. I have not walked yet, but look at this beautiful tree, Markus. How about you hug the tree?
I sure.
Hug the tree. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Markus, I love Markus. I love Markus. Markus does everything for views.
Exactly.
This is my type of energy I need in my life. I absolutely love it. Supportive to the bones. What did you want to say to me? Who wanted to say something?
No, I was in preparation to hug the tree, to be honest.
Oh, yeah, of course. Why not? Oh, you should hug the trees at the beach.
How many?
As a live stream. 100.
Are you going with me?
Maybe. Okay. Maybe I will do that. Comment below. Should she hug 100 palm trees at the beach? I think it's time. It's nice and warm now. Yeah, that would be a great challenge for a channel. I will put also her link below. Iryna, very good friend of mine. She's here again to finalizing her project about her jewelry case. I cannot say it correctly. Can you say it in English again, please?
Jewelry case.
Jewelry case, leather jewelry case, yes. Okay, what's going on over here? There's also a very nice coffee shop over there, Reply. I have been there as well. But I like this coffee shop more, where the uncle is sitting. It's beautiful, it's strong, it's great. Great coffee at the uncle's coffee. This one is just for boba girls, for nice check-in girls. But for good coffee, you gotta go to the uncomfortable places where all the uncles are. But this year, look at this beautiful, this building is crazy, right? Look at those coffee shops. Wow. They look so stylish. I did a video here with Bo one time, here at this food place. Yeah, Pho Khao Bin, okay. I think this neighborhood could be very cool and stylish. Isn't that super stylish here? Nice, so many coffee shops, restaurants. I could imagine living here even. Those are like the little bit of side streets here. Ho Thieu Muk. This is the place where we always eat in the Antung area. It's the same brand. It's the same brand.
With you?
It's very interesting. Yeah, exactly. Come on. Yeah, it's the same brand. So, what is this? Ah, this means Lao Thailand hot pot. Look at this. Interesting. I never saw that before. It's a Thai hot pot buffet. It's Mukata. No, it's not Mukata. Interesting. I don't know what it is then. But we're gonna explore today here the beautiful area of the Chau. There's also here the Fifitel Royal. Well, I'm not sure if it's the correct thing, but it's some kind of Fifitel. Maybe Fifitel Boutique. I don't know. It looks like a, I don't know what it is. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this building. It looks like a fortress or something. But it should be a hotel if I'm not wrong. Look, also on those little side streets you can find a lot of good places. Oh, wow. Interesting. Street food snacks here. Wow, I've never walked here. I think I drove. Oh, Bun Chaka. Wow. Oh, interesting. Bun Chaka, okay. Fish noodles. Fish cake noodles. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Here I see some banh mi's. I think they have time off now. Interesting. Maybe they are only open in the morning. It's a little local bakery. Bun Baos, yes, that's the Bun Baos. Oh! I actually, this was, fun fact, this was the first sushi I ever had in Da Nang.
You guys speak pretty good English.
PP.
Yeah. Can I use your phone really quickly to look something up?
For Google something, yes,
No,
but you can
no.
call somebody.
My phone's completely broken.
You want to Google something or?
Google Maps. I need to know. Hello.
Yeah,
Do you film something?
yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yes.
What's it called?
Social Samy Walks.
Social Samy Walks.
Walks, yes, it's my walking channel. I have a normal one too.
That's quite sick.
So what are you doing here? You got lost?
No, I've broken my phone
Okay.
completely, and I've been suggested a shop to go to. That can
Which shop? What is the name?
It's called FPT.
FPT?
Oh, FTP.
Yeah, I can show you where it is.
Anyway,
Yeah, you too, okay. All right, we just helped this young lad with some directions. Blooming Peony. It's a bakery, a stylish bakery. Also, ooh, look at this. Look at this, how they just think about making it photo likable, right? Photo likable. Picturesque. Interesting. Everyone making photos here. And yeah, it's beautiful. Pepen.
Alles für euch.
Komga. Chicken and rice. Michelin place?
Michelin.
Oh.
2024. I don't know why, but
Oh. Interesting. So these streets are pretty popular. I don't know what kind of building this is. It is a pretty cool neighborhood here. And this here is for rent. Huh. But at the moment, it's afternoon, so everything is closed. They have their nap, and then they're gonna be open in the afternoon again, in the evening. All those little side streets. You will always find some good food spots here. And this here is open. What do they serve? Mikwang! Oh, Markus! Mikwang! Your favorite. You can buy some cargo shorts. Interesting.
it's the best shop for clothes I've seen.
Okay, cool.
I'm definitely going back.
What is this? Shop Hong Jam. Very interesting. Roaming around the streets here. That's a vegan restaurant and coffee. Huh. Chaka. It's a Hanoi specialty if I'm not wrong. Chaka. Oh no, it's Punchaka. Okay. I like fish cake. I really like fish cake. Fish cake noodles, beautiful. Can't go wrong with that. Unless you don't like fish. But I don't like fish, but I like fish cake. You can get some flowers and some cute dogs. Hello, doggo. Oh, oh, so cute. There's a fluff ball. All right. Okay. So let's. Oh, what is this, Markus? Oh, this is where Kenny bought his electric vehicle. Very interesting. You can buy electric vehicles here, and you can drive them. Oh, sorry, I cannot walk anymore. Let's check it out. Aussie. It looks like an electric Vespa or something. Pretty stylish. Yadea. I think that's Chinese. China! Yadea. It looks pretty cool though, to be honest. I would drive those. They look stylish, right? I'm wondering if I'm too big for that. And they have the small rides here too. Oh, those are also interesting, right? Look at this. I don't know what about this one. This looks also a little bit bigger. I kind of need a bigger one. But I don't see the bike of Kenny. But look at this, that looks cool. This looks like a Zuckerschnittenmobil. Alright. Here you can buy some banh mi. Interesting. They also have the round banh mi here. What is this? It's a... Ooh. How fancy does that? What is that even? Massage place? Maybe it's a sketchy massage place. Huh. Tracy home. Very interesting. This is the Honda dealership. What I don't understand is that they don't have any PCXs for sale here. They don't sell PCXs here. You can buy more clothing. Honda. I think the most popular big motorbike scooter type is the SH 350cc SH. But I think, oh, what is this one? Claire Cake and Brunch. Ooh. That's interesting. So many shops here. I think I'm looking out for something electric still. Oh, this is a super stylish school. Super stylish. But we're gonna walk on a little bit further and then we're gonna take a grab from all over there. But there's also, if you're still watching, you are lucky because I'm gonna show you a very good place to shop as a man if you're a bigger guy. If you're a tall guy, if you're a big guy, this is a shop for you. Actually, they also have normal sizes, but at least they have all kinds of big sizes. And things are real. So we're definitely gonna check this one out. Markus, we should check out some t-shirts for you. We are here in the street. So we have here more bubble tea, Vinti, Adidas. That looks very sketchy. It should be real, but somehow it's a little bit off, right? So the build quality, I don't think, it does not feel like it is a real Adidas store. Right? I don't know why. But somewhere here, it has to be there, FO76. This is the place you can buy bigger size clothing. And this is the main street here, okay? And they have a promotion, buy 3, 15%. Made in Vietnam, huh?
It seems like if you buy something for 5 million, you get immediately 10% deduction.
Oh, all right, let's check it out. Okay, we just looked into it and we did not find anything today. And this is how it goes, right? You go in, you look for something, sometimes you find something, sometimes not. Markus wanted to have a specific slim fit type t-shirt. Markus needs some black shirts so we can actually print on our merch and things for our German channel on it. And also, if you haven't yet, please become a member of my channel. I will put in a QR code over here. And because today, oh no, tomorrow, or because tomorrow we will have a member meetup. Okay, Wednesday we're gonna have a member meetup, and we're gonna have more member meetups in April when a lot of people come. So become a member of my channel. It's less than a beer a month, so, and it supports me the most. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this video. And see you in the next walk. Also, David, shout out to David. He just got this, and now he has the big boy.